Hey everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today is the start of our new year, and my year has started off with a whole lot of big changes that I wanted to share with you all right here from the patchwork chair, surrounded by a couple of friends. I brought Tibby out because she's colour coordinating with me today, and you know I like to do that. Dear little dog that she is. So I am excited to be able to tell you all that we have finally created a website for Pay It Forward, which is so exciting. It's something we've been wanting to do for so long. I currently have, as you know, a masterclass, subscription-based, that's a hard word to say, subscription-based masterclass available through Patreon. And I have many of you there with me, and we have seen some incredible results come through masterclass. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I started that 4 years ago. I feel very blessed that I've been able to do that, but we need to evolve. Things are changing and we need to evolve to catch up and also to avoid some issues that we're having. So first of all, I want to say that the masterclass is going to continue. It's continuing as a month by month. You can still join, and there will be a new project every month as always. But what we want to make available to you all is that you can purchase the masterclass projects as a one-off. So now we have a Shopify store, and most of those masterclass projects are already up there. So that's very exciting for me, because if you're like me, I don't like subscription-based anything myself. I don't like to be tied into anything. So now you get to have a little taste of masterclass by you could just purchase one project and you get to choose the one you like. I'm very aware of the fact that, you know, I work with some pretty confining parameters that I have to design and work with, because I have to cater to a very wide group. So not every project in masterclass is something that everybody will like. I'm very aware of that. I hate to let people down. When I say that, I really mean that. I really hate to let people down. So now, if you don't want to subscribe to masterclass, you can just watch. You'll see the masterclass projects come up, and you can decide, you know, I really like that one. I'm going to go and purchase that one. And it might be a better way of doing it for some people. I know that a lot of people have been asking for this for a while. My beautiful daughter Dallas has helped and certainly totally managed putting together what we think is a really beautiful website. It is very reflective of myself and my work, and hopefully is a warm place to come and visit. Come and check us out on Shopify and have a look at what we've got. Now, I'm currently listing all of the masterclass projects. Almost all of them will be up there for you to be able to purchase. But the good news is I also will be able to now design some really, some new intermediate patterns. So we're going to have beginner patterns on Shopify, we're going to have intermediate, then we're going to have masterclass. I'm really going to focus on that intermediate range, because I think that's where so many of us fit. But I'm also going to have the freedom now to be able to create masterclass projects at a much higher level even, and just offer them as one-offs, rather than putting them on a subscription-based program where some of you may not be ready for that or even want to step up to that sort of level. So it's going to give me a lot more freedom for design. And I also want you to remember that this is my journey, that I invited you all on with me. 4 years ago we started masterclass. Thank you all so much for your support. Every one of my students is just, that you have just grown and grown, and it's an absolute testament to step-by-step video tutorial. I think it's the best way to learn. Out with the old and in with the new. You know, struggling with written instructions, with patterns, I'm sure you've all been through it. very confusing and quite, unfulfilling really. The visual of video teaching is just so much better. So everything on Shopify, everything that I sell now and offer to you will always be video tutorial, and it is step by step, as you all know. Pay It Forward will continue, of course, as it always has. There's just so much more for me to offer you. And my other reason for doing this is that I think a lot of you are aware there has been so much plagiarism. I've had so many of my patents stolen by massive companies that I cannot fight against. And my whole mission was that people can come to Pay It Forward here and find their creative joy in these free patterns and projects that we have here. So we're going to have to change things up to be able to beat these big guys. We're never going to beat them, so we're going to come at it differently. So this is what we're doing, and we feel like this is the way in order to bring more people to Pay It Forward into our community here. There will be a couple of patterns that I pull from Pay It Forward. They will be monetised. We will be able to run ads and advertising that will then generate more flow to Pay It Forward. So ultimately, I've always said the best thing we can do is keep telling everyone about Pay It Forward and the patterns here. And by having my patterns in a Shopify store, it protects them so much more. And also want to let you know that we had an Etsy store and it was infiltrated by somebody, unbelievably, and they changed the bank details to their own. They put the prices up on several items, several patterns, and then they arranged that they had been sold, and they took hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars off of us in just a couple of days. Fortunately, somebody flagged me, one of you guys actually, and let us know. Thank you so much for that. And we have shut down the Etsy store. Now we have a lovely brand new store with Shopify on the website. So, and the other reason for moving forward in this way is also that when I said that I don't like letting anybody down, I hate letting people down, my tomorrows are not promised. They're just not. So for me, I feel like I can continue and be putting new designs out there for you all without the pressure of, if I'm ill or my eyes fail, I won't be able to, put out that month's project. So we will eventually get to the point where Patreon is phased out and we operate just on this level. But that's a little way off, so you're also quite welcome to come and join Masterclass with that Patreon host still standing, and we will continue doing that for a little while. So I hope this is good news for some of you. Please come to our very pretty website. It's very reflective of me and what I like to do, my mission, our whole storybook vibe, all of us. Certainly come and join our Facebook page, because we will be putting up discount codes there, and just watch the store. It'll evolve. It's at its very beginning, and it will evolve very quickly. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, and it frees me up in a way that allows me to work with the good days and maybe hide away on the not so good days. And you know what? Today's a really good day, and it is a day to celebrate, so we will. So I'm here and able today, and I hope for more tomorrows for all of us. So thank you all so much for your support. The links are down below. Come and take a look and let me know what you think. In the meantime, as always, keep on paying all those good things forward, and until next time, it is hooroo from me.